Haven't noticed. I got new hair. So first things first, you guys, I've kind of already gelled down my edges. This is my braiding pattern. I am going with a side part for these clip-ins, and all I do is when I wash my hair, I just braid it all back, and I just do braids like going straight back. And then I have these out right here, and I'm going to twist them around. And I'm going to take a bobby pin, and then I'm just going to bobby pin the hair down like that. So this is what my hair looks like here in the back. I'm not going to worry about none of that for right now. And then this is my leave out. This is my natural hair that I have just basically just blow dried. That's it. So the hair that I'm going to be using today is the Better Length Natural Kinky Straight clip-in, and I want to say they are 18 inches, and I just have one bundle, so like one pack of the clip-ins here. I basically have them kind of sectioned off on how I put them in my hair, so I'm just going to go ahead and start putting them in my head, and I'm going to turn around so you guys can see. So hopefully you can see. I don't normally like do videos like this, so I don't normally do hair videos, y'all, so bear with me, and hopefully it's decent. I don't even know what my kitchen looking like back there. Y'all just give me grace, okay? They'll be going in 1 second. Hold on. So the first clip-in I'm going to use is this 3-clip clip-in, and it looks like this, and only thing you do is you like open the clip-ins by like, you know, snapping them like this. I have them all open, and then I'm just going to put it down here. Boom. So I just slide it into the braid, and it's good to go, good and secure. Okay, so I'm gonna braid this part up just to get this out of the way really quickly. I'm just gonna 2-strand twist this. Okay, this one, and then I like to put it right here onto that one. Up, and here. And I either put the clips either through the hair or through the braid. Like, cause I can put it like on this hair and it's fine. So this one is here, and then when I take my next clip, I'm gonna start it here so that it covers up this like kind of empty space here. So the next clip that I have is a 3-clip. Put it here. Make sure they're flat. Let's see, you covering that up, it covers that right on up. 2 clip right there. And then I have 2 more 2 clips, and then I actually made 1 clip. I just took a 2 clip track and I cut it in half. So I'm gonna lay these down here. 1 here. And 1 right here. All right. I just want that to be a little bit tighter. So boom. So as you can see, I have it covering the whole perimeter like that. And then I'm going to take my hair and I'm going to flat iron my leave out to cover up these tracks here. But as you can see, the hair so far, it gives me a ton of volume. They're all in here really snug. They're not hurting my head at all. And I can comb through them. Oh, I forgot. Oh, you guys, I forgot heat protectant. I use this hair shield. It's like an intense cream. Did I put this on already? I don't think so. But you're gonna want to put a heat protectant on your hair. And then after this, I'll actually go in and grease my scalp. You guys, my scalp gets so dry so quickly. So anyway. Okay guys, so this is my hair if I wanted to leave it just sleek and straight. Let me just kind of show you guys. You guys see? The hair is a beautiful texture, similar to my hair texture. I don't have the proper comb, but typically I have like a smaller tooth comb and I can just kind of comb in my hair texture with this hair texture and it looks pretty seamless. Oh, and mind you guys, I still have 2 pieces left over. So if I wanted to add maybe a little bit of volume here or even like a piece here to maybe cover back here, I can. I'm not going to do that right now, but I am going to save them just in case. But as you can see, like my edges, I've already laid those down. They look really natural. I can put it behind my ear. I left a little bit of my front out and this looks really natural as well. If I wanted to put this behind my ear, I could. I can even put it in a ponytail and it lays pretty flat. Again, I don't have a brush or the right comb right now, but I would be totally okay with rocking this as like, you know, oh, and I have hair clips, you guys. So I have like a little hair clip here if you wanted to, you know,